Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. Yes, it's today, 2021, the 3rd February. Alright, let me focus this medium Sudoku. So, this one will be number 2266. All right, 22666. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of numbers in a row. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is a 5. You see here 5 in this big square. So no 5s in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see for another digit. How about this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. You see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for an 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box up left for the 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 8. Let me choose another digit. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. You see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2 again. Well, I need a 2 in the last column. Look, 3 missing numbers. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are left in the last column. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 9 should be there. Okay. One number left in this row, the third row, should be for the number 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and the 4 in this big square. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Also 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We need to wait. 4, 7, and 8. 3, 8. 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 8. And look, we have a 6 there. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. It's a pair. That means 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers are 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. The 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 5 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. How about the 2? 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. And then. How about the 8? Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 8. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be here. 1 and the 6 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and a 6. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. No, 4. 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. Alright, 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. 8 is missing. Yes, now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 6 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 3rd regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. Prepare for this one. Only 2 digits are given, I see. Bye-bye for now, and see you soon.